Yeah, big up man, straight and the big one done up to the time, straight. I mean I say yo. That one I name no views. See me? No views, short and quick. Yeah, a lot of people won't give this thing no views. You see me? Because to what me I gonna say, because you know now. Me not do them thing for views, you see me? But a lot of people do things, some crazy things to get views on YouTube. You see me? Instagram, Facebook. But I might not know the way to get views, you see what I say? Yeah. Some people are disgrace all them family, some people disgrace all them lover. Show them up on the internet and all these things. Me not do them things, brother. You see me? Yeah, some of them when I show them up on all, what you call this sitting there now where one sitting there where them put up on quick. I don't remember what it name, but Snapchat, yeah, I just remember it. Them put up on that quick. You see, I only for technology, you know. So the phone them quick. So you have to know what you do on the road and know what you say. Know where you walk with too. Because you have some people that don't expose people. And I don't believe people should just expose people. So I believe you should have a law to lock up on some people that expose people certain ways. So what I say, that means say. Because I don't think it's right if you expose a man on the internet. I see all the law them are exposed, the police them, you see me. I don't know why people do them things there. I know it's a free country and you're free to do what you want to do with your phone, but there's certain things you cannot upload on the internet, brother. And we have to be careful with the owner phone because the owner phone can send you to prison, you see me? Because some people do some things just to get views. You see me? Sometimes they want to get big views to get a big money, you see me? But sometimes you get the money and it put you in trouble too. You see me? So you have to know what you do with your phone. Straight, yeah. But I don't mind taking them to get views, you know. I just want to keep people on track. You see me? Yeah. I mean, I say a man not to show certain things to the world, yes, but when it's graceful and if a man wickedly, I do some things wickedly to others person, you can snap him and put him out of that different. But, you know, like a man will kill all a woman now. You put him out there, a man will kill the next man. You can snap that, you put it out there. You see me? A man will do some disgraceful thing where in a public where if you go hide and do that. You see me? And you catch him. You go and put him out there, yes? But it's not really right. You see me? People do some crazy things to get views. You see me? People come on the internet and talk some ways and believe say, well, I just talk, them investigate. They might investigate to know that. You see me? Yeah. You own a phone where you video yourself and tell them world this and you tell the world that. Remember, you know, sir, you own a phone can send you in prison. Yeah, because I see people are come and checking people on the internet. I say them are going to kill them and them are going to this and what them are going to do with them and them are going to bust head. Some of these people here, I know them and investigate some of them. You see me? Yeah, because some of these people don't just talk from their mouth. Anything when you talk from your mouth, that defile your body. You see me? So, anything when you come out of your mouth, you have an intention to do it straight. You see me? We can use the phone and do a lot of good things. We don't have to do some friggery. I expose other people. And then we are going to say we have God. Both worldly and Christian, I say I do them things that expose people. Why? A pastor will know better. That is why you see them expose so much pastor we do child molesting and all this fuckery. You see what I say? Yeah. So people like them, the people are going to expose them. You see me? Yeah. The world are going to know them people because you see what I say? So I'm not getting me wrong when I say people do some disgraceful things to get views. That is true. I can't tell a man to do with them phone still, you see me? But you know, have to just be careful what you do out there with your phone and what you send on the internet. Everything that a man take him phone and send out there, it is investigated. Remember me telling you that, you know? Telling you a long time, you know, so you go send threat and all the baddest thing and you have guns and you bust head and all. These words, some of these words we send in a prison. You have to be careful what you send out there and I tell people. And like I tell Jamaica alone, I tell the whole world, so people are going to investigate you. Be careful of what you do and send out there, you see me? Yeah, be careful what you send out on the phone. Be careful of the people what you expose. Yeah, because you expose somebody. If someone did read the Bible, only just say the Bible not wrong. You see what I say? Because someone still walk in the darkness. Someone still do some wickedness to people. Someone still exposed down to your very own. Down to your own. Love I want to have expose. Carry the business, go road, go talk it, make other people. Nah, man, that's what the thing said. Yes, man. A woman will look upon a man and say, nah, have a big tool. And she know that and she go expose him. A man would know say a woman clean a rifle, him go expose her. You see me? You freak a woman in her ass. Yeah. Or a man lick out a woman's ass. She either expose him or him expose her too. So how can we do all these things to one another, Rasta? Eh? Certain things must keep intact. Nobody is supposed to know that. Only you and God. It's not right, you know, but me I say, when me I try to say, be careful of people. You see me? And some of these people here where you see, walking amongst us every day, they might look at you and laugh in their mind because they expose you certain way where you think say, them think you don't know. You see me? And some of these same people here stop your thing on the internet and get views. You understand? Because one bad story can lock off everything with you. I say no. You see me? I tell you that I went not go so. So be careful of these people and don't trust nobody. You see me? I say trust God. Because a lot of people doing, a lot of young girls, a lot of young boys, big man or woman doing some crazy shit just to get views. So look for the say them up on top of the world. What the fuck? What kind of, where the views for? Me don't know. Eh? People like your shit. You say no something good, nobody no pay it no mind. If I something disgraceful, everybody see it, want it. Hug it up. And the man who do the good, nobody no see him. Nobody never look upon him. 1 and 2 views him get. You see me? But as me say, me nah do this to get no views. You see what I say? Straight. But just I want people to be careful of what they do with them phone. Because long run short catch, if you know what I mean. Be careful who you expose. Some of you expose people and feel that people don't know. I true them not ready for you yet. You see what I say? I know feel that them cannot find you. I don't know what change your number. I'm not done register another name. They say don't care if you get smart it and anything go wrong and you them come for. Straight. I tell you that. No matter where you are, you could have a foreign. They want to look for you and find you. I tell you that straight. So be careful of what you do. Yeah. I want to name no views. You see what I say? Straight.
Me say you can't trust people. Me buy my cash. I me not even a trust people. Me know you, that what I done have. Me know you can't get my password. Me say me won't drop down. Me no shopkeeper, and me no trust man. He ain't trouble here, so something must come. Now I me alone bad, I never plus one. So no friend can trick me, fi kill me. This a the blood clot truth like a religious song. See that wife they a fuck and a husband.